Hi, I'm Daniel Fernback with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey, standing here on the Scout 255 Dorado. Let's take a look. First, you're going to have the upgraded Twin 200 White Mercury Dorados. This boat comes standard with either Yamaha or Mercury 150 as its power. You can upgrade it to 200s. You're going to have the Grigio cushion package, which is new for 2018 and 19, which is the gray. Plenty of room, as you can see, for family entertaining, and also if you want to go fishing. In a matter of seconds, it all folds away and you can take the table out and have plenty of cockpit space. One of the nice innovations that Scout has here is they have an electrical lounger that goes out with a button very, very easily. Does it in about 10 seconds or less. Then you can slide it back for more room and have an aft-face seat. Also going to have the JL audio upgrade and a Yeti. You can get an optional grill. And then you have a very, very nice spacious cockpit. You have the digital throttle and nice push button gauges with the Garmin. Fusion radio as well, Bluetooth ready. Moving forward, you're going to have access to the head, which is nice and spacious. It also has the faux teak down below. And yes, it's a vacuum flush. You have storage underneath the helm, and then a very nice squared off but stylish bow seating. Everybody can lounge out or sit. You have the speakers, you have the cup holders, grab rail. I'm Dan Fernback with MarineMax out of Brick, New Jersey. For more info, you can give me a call at 908-330-2727. Thank you.